Way back to our first met, hindi ko in-expect na aabot tayo sa ganito. It was a long journey. I expected that loving someone is easy as 1, 2, 3. Pero hindi pala. Madaming pagtatalo, hindi pagkakaunawaan, na halos mauwi sa hiwalayan. Pero thank God at ginabayan tayo at hindi tayo nawalan ng pag-asa.
Bring on the good times, let the light shine. I've got so much left to do. Wide open skyline, I'm on the move. This is the start of something new. This is the start of something new.
Sobrang random kasi ng ano namin, ng first meeting namin. Nag-start lang through Facebook Messenger.
Drive for miles and miles, gonna follow the road that's in front of me. I don't believe in letting go.
Actually, nag-break na kami. Trials.
Ayain mo. Ayain mo lang na ayain kasi mag-aano rin yun eh. Bibigay din yun.
Bumabalik naman. So, parang nag-away kami, 1 month, 2 months, gano'n. Tapos naging kami ulit.
Start of something new. This is the start of something new. This is the start. This is the start of something new. This is the start. This is the start of something new. Gonna turn it up, gonna knock it down, gonna fill my cup. That's what it's all about. Gonna turn it up, gonna knock it down, gonna fill my cup. That's what it's all about. Bring on the good times, let the light shine. I've got so much left to do. Wide open skylines, I'm on the move. This is the start of something new. The start of something new. This is the start of something new.
Beb, Mahal, Loves, Poy. First off, belated happy anniversary. I don't know if there's anyone here knows the reason how we ended calling each other Popoy and Basha. Yes, we know ang baduy. Hindi naman tayo fan ni John Lloyd and Bea. But honestly, to us, it means second chances. What started as a joke, which later became our term of endearment.
I'm mesmerized, terrified, but I've never felt more alive. And I'm
Basha, first, I want to say thank you to our Almighty God, our friends, relatives, and family to witness our love story.
And I'm falling for you.
The quick backstory in how it all began. Some people here may not know that when we first met, hindi maganda first impression ko sa'yo. Mukha kang babaero at hindi marunong magseryoso. And maybe because of the circumstances of how we first met. We first met in the most unromantic way. Sabihin ko na. Through Facebook. The vibes. Hindi pa kasi uso yung dating app noon. You were constantly messaging me until I replied. Never would have I imagined that that person will become the one whom I will spend the rest of my life with.
Nagkatipon tayo sa mga oras na ito upang ating saksihan ang pinakamahalagang bahagi sa buhay ni Oliver at ni Jenny May. Ito ay ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib sa presensya ng ating Panginoon.
Naiiyak iiyak. Mamaya ka na iiyak, mamaya pa iiyak.
Mabait naman talaga siyang anak. Simula na nag-work siya, naging okay kami lahat, naging masunurin siya. Tsaka, tinupad naman muna niya yung pangako niya para din sa amin bago siya nag-asawa. Yun lang. At yung wish ko lang na maging okay silang pamilya. Yun lang. Mahal kasi kahit may asawa ka na, mahal na mahal.
Salamat, Nay, sa lahat ng binigay mo. Sa mga oras ng pangangailangan, nandiyan ka lagi. Yun lang.
Thank you, Basha, for all the sacrifices and giving me the strength to become a better man. And Basha, my only Basha, I promise na hindi ako magsasawang mahalin at unawain ka and let down my guard every time an argument arrive between us. Nandito ako para sumuporta. Alagaan ka when you feel unwell at damayan ka sa panahon ng lungkot and celebrate with you when we check another goal on our list.
Till our breath is gone and we can't hold on. I wanna love you right. I wanna love you right.
My love, you are worth fighting for. This relationship proves that whatever happens, if it's God's will, kahit anong pagsubok, love will always find a way.
I wanna love you
And as your husband, I vow to be the best leader to you and to our son, Nicholas Tan. And I promise to love you faithfully for as long as I shall live.
And now we are here today, my love. Cheers to us. We made it this far. It has been a long journey, and finally, after everything we've been through, we will finally have our happily ever after. And it's true that God made everything beautiful in its time. I will love you always.
right.